Quiltworx.com announces the Valley Blossoms quilt pattern, which we will bring to you in a free online teaching video series called Work Sessions. Join Judy Niemeyer from Quiltworx.com and Vanessa Fromm from Fabric Confetti on the Quiltworx YouTube channel so you can learn to make this 99-inch square quilt that consists of 3 paper-pieced elements and applique. This will be taught to you using both traditional turn-under applique techniques and also digitized embroidery. A 4-workshop series will begin in May and extend through late July, focusing on each of the 3 block types in the quilt and then the applique at the end. Check out our YouTube channel beginning April 17th for a pre-class preparation video and get your pattern from your favorite quilt shop or Quiltworx.com. Watch for kits of the cover quilt in Island Batik fabrics or use Quiltster to design your own. We hope you take advantage of this free workshop with Judy Niemeyer and Vanessa Fromm. There is no better time than today to learn why so many quilters love Quiltworx products, digitized embroidery, and the paper piecing process.